What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Subaru Forester Smart Key remote fob. This key fob is going to be for the Subaru Foresters that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back, this small square button, and then the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is where that emergency key just slid out of, and then just below that there's another notch right here, and I'm just going to stick my screwdriver in that notch like that. Make sure it's all the way in, and then I'm just going to kind of angle up and push up on that back cover. And then once we get our back cover off, we can see our battery right here. And I'm just going to get the edge of my screwdriver under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder like that. Now I'm going to grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. So I'll put my new battery in, and I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. And then I can snap my back cover on. And you just want to line up that emergency key release with the square cutout in the back cover. So just get that lined up and then snap it down into place. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.